Beautiful weather outside right now. We're looking at conditions that are going to be pretty mild, upper 50s, low 60s. By about 9 o'clock, we're going to be at near 70s. So it's going to warm up a lot earlier today. Slight chance for a few isolated storms right around 3 to about 4 o'clock. We'll see a few storms here in town and across the eastern plains, but things really starting to warm up. That's going to be the bigger story here for us over the next couple of days. A few storms today, much drier conditions this coming weekend, and there will be some hot, dry conditions in store into even the first of next week. I'll show you the Super 7 day here in just a minute. Right now, 63 downtown, 57 at the airport. We have a little mix of sun and clouds here down over Denver early this morning. Winds are pretty calm though, and we're going to go from 50s and 60s this morning to again as warm as about 77 by 11 o'clock. Right as we get to the lunchtime hour, a little mix of sun and clouds. A few isolated storms then popping up in the afternoon. Really only about a 20% chance of picking up a few here in town. Temps are going to be anywhere from 85 to about 88 degrees by that point, and it's going to stay warm through the afternoon. 6:30 to about 7 o'clock. We're still talking low to mid 80s. You're going to find more 70s than 60s in the mountains today, and same scenario this weekend too. Pretty warm out west. Early Friday morning, sunny skies and 60s. A beautiful start early tomorrow morning. It's going to be a hot afternoon, though. We're going to see about a 30 to 35 degree warm up by tomorrow afternoon. Highs right around 90 degrees in Denver tomorrow. Winds will be at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's going to be a pretty warm wind, and it's going to be dry. When you look at our risk of severe weather today, the light green is where we have a pretty low risk, right through the metro area. As you get a little farther east, marginal to slight risk across the eastern plains. Wind and larger hail would be really two of the bigger issues, and also some lightning with those storms. 10-day forecast, we're still going to be looking at some drier than average conditions, and when you look at our Super 7 day, that's pretty clear into the first of next week. 92 tomorrow, low to even mid 90s Saturday and Sunday, so it's going to be hot and dry. If you're heading to the mountains, we may see a few high base thunderstorms, potentially a little lightning in the mountains late Saturday and Sunday. We'll get a few more storms here in town, it looks like, on Monday. Temperatures are going to be right around 90 degrees, it looks like Monday, before we then cool down into the upper 70s Tuesday. Breezy and cooler, and then mid 80s, Jason, by Wednesday.